Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix blurry story on Facebook. So this is going to be a very easy one, so let's get started. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to Facebook application. Now here, you want to go to the top right of the screen, that's a 3-bar icon is. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to click on the gear icon at the top right again. Now from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the preferences section. Now what we want to do is we want to look for media. Now in media, just click on it. And from here, you want to look for the video quality section. So don't be confused, it's actually at the very top there. You'll be able to see it immediately. Now from here, you just want to ensure that you actually selected the optimize section there rather than the data saver. So if we selected the optimize section there, it's going to actually adjust videos to network conditions. So if it means that if your internet is actually really fast, then the video quality will also be really good. So you have to ensure that you have a good internet quality for you to have a good quality video. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.